Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Anastasia, or simply Stasia on the internet, and today I'm going to be showing you some new jewelry I got from Luisa, and I'm going to be showing you a tutorial for a slick puff, which was requested on Instagram. So let's get into this jewelry to start. So Luisa, if you saw my last video that I did with them, you'll know that they are a great company. They're environmentally friendly, and their whole ethos is, creating jewelry that's sustainable but still beautiful. So I think they're doing a great job of that, and I got a few more pieces from them. So I got a necklace set. So this is the Michelle layered necklace set, and it actually comes with 3 necklaces. And you're probably saying, well, Anastasia, you only have 2 necklaces on, you forgot one. No, here's the 3rd. Look at that. So I decided to switch it up a little bit, and I wore this one on my wrist. I'm a big fan of bracelets, and in the last video I shared that I kind of wish I was a hand model. Some dreams don't come true, but never stop chasing. So I have this beautiful necklace on my wrist as a bracelet, and a part of another one from the same set, the Michelle set, were these beautiful earrings. So as you can see, they're nice and they're like eye-catching, but it's not overbearing. So I thought that was super cute, and I picked those up. The great thing about Luisa, aside from the environmental factor and how awesome they look, is that they have a sale right now. So for November, their Black Friday sale is buy one, get one 40% off. So if you click the link in my description box, you'll be able to go to the website, check out a few pieces, and get a great deal. So it's a great time. You can start Christmas shopping or holiday shopping a little bit earlier, or you can just treat yourself, It's been an interesting year, so if you want to get something pretty, you don't need an excuse to do that. Just do it. Treat yourself. Anyway, so for this style, since I really wanted to show off the jewelry, I thought this hairstyle was perfect. So it's really sleek. It's a nice sleek puff that I've done on an old flat twist out, and it's really easy. This is the thing, it's super easy, but a lot of people, whenever I do a slick style, they're like, how do you do it? How do you get your hair back? And I'm like, you know what? It's just, I have really strong arms. Kidding, no, that's not it. It takes a while. You will need a few things. So I'll get into what you're going to need to do this style. You will definitely need a little bit of patience, so start with that. I like to start on stretched hair. I find that if my hair is in like a braid out, a twist out, or a flat twist out like it is this time, for example, it's a lot easier to manipulate my hair. So I can pull it back, and it's not like I'm, forcing it. If I try this on the wash and go, no. Do not recommend. Don't do it. It's gonna be sad. So yeah, so let's get into this look. Also, I kind of wish I recorded this makeup look because I feel like it looks really pretty. I didn't, sorry, but I'll show you how to do your hair. Okay, let's get into that now. Alright, so like I said earlier, I'm starting on an old flat twist out, and I'm just going to refresh it with a bit of hair product to get it ready for this puff. I'm going to be using a spray and a bit of oil in my hands, and that'll help freshen up the curls again because, it gets a little dry as the days progress. Now the key to getting thick, tightly coiled hair into a nice sleek puff or ponytail is to work in sections. So I'm sectioning off one section at the back, and I'm using a spray bottle with water and a shampoo brush to smooth out the section. So you want to make sure each section is as smooth as possible, and that will help your hair lay down a lot better. Another key to making sure this style works for me is using a thick gel, and in that case I am using Eco Styler gel. So this is good for sleek styles, and I find it's inexpensive and it works really well for my thick hair. Now I'm going to do another section and do the exact same thing. So I'm sectioning off, then I'm going to spray it with water, use the shampoo brush to smooth the hair down, and then some gel and my boar bristle brush to create another ponytail on top of the first one I did. Now I already had a middle part from my flat twist out, so I'm just working with that rather than changing it and trying to force my hair to do something new. At the front, I do a lot more smoothing. Obviously, this is the part that's going to show the most, so I go over it a few more times with the shampoo brush to get it extra smooth, and I'm using quite a bit more gel than I used in the previous sections. Alright, and for the last step, I'm going to smooth my edges, and when I say smooth, that's literally all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything fancy because I'm a 32-year-old woman and I still don't know how to do my edges, so here I am just brushing them back. Boring. Yeah, that's it. Once my edges are done, I'm going to put a satin scarf over top just to keep everything smooth and in place. And one thing I will say, do not make this too tight or you will have a line on your forehead and you'll look silly. That happened to me a lot. Once the hair is set, I'm adding some more oil to the puff and making sure it's nice and round by picking it out with my fingers. And that is the final look. So easy and super cute. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and like I said, it's not that hard. It just takes a bit of patience, a little bit of like arm strength, and you're good to go. So let me know what you think of this style, and don't forget to check out the link in my description so you can get your Ana Luisa pieces as well. And if you do pick anything up, I'd love to know what you got. So send me a DM, message me in the comments, whatever you'd like. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.